What's up guys? So for today's video, today we will unbox something from Shopee. So this is what I got from Shopee 1111. This I ordered ring light only. Yes, because wala akong ma-afford sa stand. So I ordered ring light. Ring light lang. Diba? Kasi mas so yeah guys, today we will be unboxed. So this is my first time in history. So first time ko mag-unbox ng product from Shopee. Yes, so first time in my YouTube channel. Okay, so let's cut out now. I hope hindi to scam. Very affordable guys. It's 246. Free shipping na ata yun. Cut out today. Like it. So matatagalan pa akong mag-cut nito. Kasi ang daming bubble wrap. How I wish it fully meets my expectations. It's fragile. And that's insane. Gosh. So this is a quick video guys. This is a quick unboxing haul. Mabilis lang. Kasi may mood shoot pa tayo. Mag-unwrap na ako. Just link on the description box, guys, kung gusto nyo bumili nito. If satisfied ako. Malapit na. I got it from Shopee. Oh, it's Shopee Express. Oh my gosh, nakikita ko na yung ring light. Ah! Saan hindi ito ba ito? So, ito na siya. Nakikita niyo na. Nice naman yung packaging nila. As in. So, I'll just link the description box, yung link kung saan ko ito kinuha sa shop, guys. My gosh, hindi ako marunong mag-install nito. Oh my god. This is it, guys. This is what you got. Oh, this is what it looks like. Oh my god. Oh, it's ring feel light and beauty face. Make face and eye in beauty, night core extreme, multiple color temperature. Yeah. Oh my gosh. It's, ano pala, 26 centimeter. It's only ring light lang to ha. Ring light lang. Oh my gosh. Paano ba? It's got stick pa ito. Dan, maganda siya. Ah, may bubble wrap na naman. May bubble wrap pa siya. Ah! Char. Oh my gosh. Pinagpawisan ako. Oh. Oh, ha? Oh, sana mag-work. Sana mag-work siya. Ayan. Good for photo shoot. Milig ako sa photo shoot. God! Pinagpawisan ako. Wala kasing aircon. Ayan, pinagpawisan ako. Wala kasing aircon. After 24 hours, char. This is how it looks like. Ito pala. Paano ba ito, char? Ito yung phone holder. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko siya ilalagay. Hindi ko kung saan ko siya ilalagay. Hindi ko din alam kung paano ito pailawin. Paano ba? Ito. Parang liit. Tingnan. Char. Ito lang pala. Okay, fine. Ano ba? Oh my gosh! Hindi ako marunong. Paano ba ito isaksak, guys? Charger. Kailangan talaga charger eh. Para mag-work siya. Work. Once in a minute, work. Pinaround man siguro. Ganun pala. Miss ito. Tapos ito. Ayan. Okay na to. Okay na ba to? Okay, tapos ito. Para saan ito? O, ganyan? Ganyan ba? That's what I think. May isa pa. Ito. Para saan ito? Para dito din. Siguro. Bala rin siya, guys. Ito, try. Walang instructions. Walang manual, guys. Walang manual. Siguro call a friend na lang ako dito. Ito yung adapter ko. Ito yung adapter. Tapos ito yung... Basta. Sige nga, try nga natin kung iilaw ba talaga siya. Kung iilaw ba siya, guys? Oh my gosh! Oh. Wait lang kayo dyan. Wait.
Few inches later.
Saan ba? Oh my God! Oh! Char. Char. Hello, first time. Ayan. Oh my gosh, klaro na yung mata ko. Oh, parang ano lang. Parang contact lens lang. Ayan. Ganyan yung ilaw niya. Ito yung white. Yes, that is white. Then, ano pa? May sunod pa ba? Wala lang. Ay, dara. Ala, wala nang ibang color. Ano to? Warm? Ito ba yung warm? Or ito pa rin yung white? Oh my gosh, ano ba? Oh my gosh, hindi ko marunong. Ito pala yung warm. Oh, ito yung warm. Ay, hindi maklaro. Basta warm, tapos may, ayan. Tapos may light na light, as in white na white talaga. Tapos warm, white. Ayan. Per color. Kayo na mag-decide on different colors. Yan yung off. Ganyan lang. Natural yung light. Ayan. Ito yung itsura ko pag off. Tapos pag on na. Diba? While the watch off. This is warm. Hindi siya masyadong warm. Oh my God. Look at my eyes. And then, minus to, minus. Ayan. Ito yung sobrang white lang talaga. Clear white lang. Oo. Clear white siya. Tapos, warm mo. Balik kasi warm. Ito yung white na white. Ayan. Ito lang. Pure white. Ayan, white. Kasi may extension bright. Hindi, may bright, sini? Tapos, i-minus na natin. Kung ganyan na. Ayan, tisa pa ko. Ito yung white. Tapos, warm. Ayan, this is the warm. Ano ba talaga yung warm? Off. Okay, this warm. Warm. Tapos, ganyan siya ka-warm. Ito na yung pinaka-intense warm light niya. Actually, guys, wala pa akong makeup talaga kasi it's a quick review. It's a quick product review. As in, sobra talaga. It's a quick product review. At saka, it's 11, I think. It's 11. Kailangan ko luto ng rice cooker. Magluto ng rice. Basta, kailangan ko pang mag-module. Anak ko gagawin, guys. So, ayun. So, this is a quick product review in ring light from Shopee. Yes, very affordable siya Shopee. Pero sa Lazada talaga. Ewan ko na lang. Okay din naman sa Lazada. Pero, basta. Okay, siya. Ayan. Ito yung warm light. I really bet warm light. Yan. Ay, sakto lang. Aroy. Charles. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. I really like the view. Okay, picture muna ako, guys. So, ayan. Ayan. Okay, fine. Off na natin. So, that's it, guys. And thank you. Oh, hindi. Ulit na lang. Ulitin ko. Ayan. Oh my gosh. Ayan. So, thank you, guys, for watching. And hope that you really like this video. You really like this product that I... Actually, kala ko talaga makukuryente ako. Hindi pala. Pag, ganito talaga na pag first time. So, that's it, guys. And I hope that you really like this video. And please leave a thumbs up. Then comment down below if you have any suggestions. Because I'm kinda running out of ideas, guys. So, that's it. And thank you so much for watching. Bye! Bye!